Good afternoon, and welcome aboard the 2019 44 Aquila. My name is Kit Beaudry, and I'm with MarineMax Pensacola. Today, we're going to take you on a brief walkthrough and show you some of the great amenities of the 44 Aquila. So here we are in the main salon of the 44 Aquila. I'm at the lower helm. You have complete controls, your GPS chart plotter, your depth gauge, your autopilot, your Volvo Penta gauge, and your throttles. As you notice, large U-shaped seating as well. And then we step back to the galley area. You have a cooktop stove, sink area, microwave, very versatile for entertaining inside the boat as well. So here we are in the starboard side stateroom. As you notice, in the Aquila, each stateroom does have its own head for the privacy of each couple. Tons of storage, as you'll notice, throughout the boat. We'll see you in the master. Here we are in the master stateroom, which is forward. As you notice in the master stateroom, you have your head off to the port side, and you have your study off to the starboard side. In the 44 Aquila, everything is easy to use, such as the instrumentation. Here it is. Everything's labeled, functional, easy to operate. Right behind you, same thing. Easy access for your generator panel, fuel monitoring, water, everything you need right here at your hand on the 44 Aquila. As you step into the cockpit, notice your U-shaped dining here for entertaining. You can't ask for a better spot. Or what better way to access the interior and exterior of the boat, sitting outside with your guests or bringing the party inside. You can do that on the 44 Aquila. We'll take you through some other features on the 44 Aquila. Here we are on the bow of the 44 Aquila. As you notice, easy access down the port and starboard side. As you walk over here to the starboard side bow, you'll notice on both sides the storage in the 44, as well as water tanks on both port and starboard side. And of course, the best part about this boat is the easy access to the bridge where the party is. Notice U-shaped seating, which is awesome for entertaining. Sink, a grill, upper station for running the boat, easy access, tons of seating on this boat. Full enclosure on the bow and then wraps around port and starboard side. Just very functional. Here we are on the flybridge of the 44 Aquila. Everything at your hand. Throttles, GPS chart plotter, autopilot, and depth. Well, that concludes our video aboard the 2019 44 Aquila. We'd like to thank you for watching. And remember, we're always open at MarineMax.com.